Welcome to Escapediaa, your gateway to exploring the incredible diversity of India one step at a time. In this brand new series, we are diving deep into history, culture, people, science, nature, and what makes our each state unique. Whether you are a travel lover, a culture enthusiast, or just curious about what truly India offers, you are in the right place. So, hit that subscribe button and let's begin this amazing journey across India, starting with Gujarat.
Hey, hi. Is it really worth traveling on weekdays? You won't see any crowd. And in today's episode of Exploring India, we are in Gujarat. And this is Sri and there is Jai. We will be traveling Gujarat and taking some essence of the really good food and visit some really places. I must say, the weather here is really pleasant. Today, we are at the bank of River Narmada in Kevadia. We started from Dadar at 12 and we have reached at 7:20. We took a bus and we are here today at Statue of Unity. It is really humongous, standing tall 182 meters in height. Do you know the fact that it is twice the height of Statue of Liberty? Yeah, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was really Iron Man who took 500 species together during the Independence Day. So we are here, just enter inside and looking for some good breakfast at food court. The more and more we move closer to it, we get a sight of how huge it is. Generally, the place is less crowded on the weekdays, but you have to go get those view gallery tickets, and you have to book your slot and get to that. We have a slot at 10 a.m. We are moving towards it, and let's see how much time we can spend over there. It seems really huge from here. We can just take the stairs to if you want to reach till feet. It doesn't require any tickets. But if we need to go to the viewing gallery, like one we are going right now, we have an entry gate over there. And I think we can also get a view of Sardar Sarovar Dam from here. And we will be moving towards viewing gallery. And let's see what's all over there. Finally, we are here at the viewing gallery at the chest of the statue. Yeah, the lift was really quick to take us over here, and we can even feel the vacuum in our ears. The view from here is really magnificent. You can see the view of Sarovar Dam from here, as well as the shining water, which is reflecting the light towards us, as well as the light. Being at this height, we can even see the Kevadia or Ektanagar station view from the viewing gallery and the road which takes us towards the Statue of Unity. You might see some buses running over there. Yeah, and obviously the shadow of the huge statue in the river. Along with the statue itself, there are multiple places which you can visit in the afternoon. Right now, we are in the Valley of Flowers. Mm, There are buses which you can just hop on and hop off at multiple points. There is Jungle Safari, Dam Viewpoint, Valley of Flower, and Glow Garden as well. It's about 1:30 now, and we are planning to have a lunch. And we'll wait till projection mapping this evening.
दरअसल के बाद न यहाँ से अपनी हाई स्कूल की शिक्षा पूरी की। फिर 13 साल की उम्र में उनकी शादी भी हो गई। सदी आने पर उनका जीवन भी एक चमत्कार की तरह बना। पीटर का इम्तिहान पास करके वो वकालत करने लगे। पहले धोखला, फिर आनंद और उसके बाद अहमदाबाद में। मगर जन्म
Yesterday, after spending some time in Valley of Flower, a Statue of Unity, what we did was we spent a lot of time actually in Valley of Flower, just sitting there and chilling. Later, we had some snacks and we just wa- waited there for the projection mapping show. I think it is really worth it, and really, it is more like a one-day picnic plan with your family. Maybe there were lots of school children with their school picnic at the place. Yeah, so it was a really good day. We caught a train at like about 9 from Ektanagar station, and we reached Ahmedabad. Yeah, so I just gave a spoiler. So we are at Ahmedabad today. We reached here around at 12 at night, checked in at a hotel, and we are got freshen up. We are out here today exploring. So let's see what we can have for our breakfast. I'm really excited to try the common and traditional food over here. This is Dhokla along with the famous Gujarati chutney. This is Khaman, Sev Khamni, and that's sandwich Dhokla. This can't be. These are some of the must-try food. We are starting our day with breakfast at the stall Dal Khaman. Sorry, Das Khaman. It's a little bit crowded out there.
even आवडलं.
Dhokla is still Khaman is best. Dhokla is
with common. I don't know they can come.
I think everything have its own flavor, but if you love eating spicy, then so much is the choice.
Omni pack.
No, company.
વાંધો નહીં આવે કશો પણ આવી જજો 4-5 વાગે નીકળી જવાનું છે ને.
After having delicious breakfast and spending hour or two in Sabarmati Ashram, I don't think so. I have never studied those many things even in my school days that I have got to know in those two days about Gandhiji and Vallabhbhai Patel. And spending a time in Sabarmati Ashram is always a really good choice for to have and to and also know about some history. Also, we had really good breakfast. I think still we are going to have a lot of more things to eat, maybe during snacks time, and it will be more about food than places, hopefully. Uh, right now we are at Science City, which is in Ahmedabad. We have got a tickets for few of the show, and let's explore what we have got here. I was really excited to be in Ahmedabad, also known as Heritage City, to actually find out what does that mean. At first glance, we can see that the roads, infrastructures, and buildings here are really quite impressive and well developed, also carrying its heritage and cultural importance along with it. At first glance, the people here are really sweet, and we didn't face any issue while renting out a bike. Also about for checking into the hotels. Talking of the bike, the road here are really crisp, but the drivers are little bit risky. Let's find out what more adventures we see for the day together.
That's it for part 1 of Gujarat, but we are just getting started. The next episode takes you even deeper into Gujarat wonders with more iconic spot, vibrant movements, and unforgettable experiences. We have left a few glimpses at the end of this video to tease what's coming next, you to catch them. So, stay tuned, hit the bell icon, and get ready for part 2, dropping very soon, only on Escapediaa.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night.